Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I want to show you how to easily remove stamps in Photoshop. At first select Lasso tool from the toolbar. Then select the red stamp. When it's selected, press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection. And rename it red stamp. Select the main layer. Then select the blue stamp. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. And rename it blue stamp. Again select background. Then select green stamp. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. And rename it green stamp. Now select the first layer. Remember that I separated each one from the background. Now select the red stamp. Click on Adjustments, and choose Black and White. Click here to clip to layer. Just apply for this one. Now click this icon, then click and drag on the color you want to remove. Okay, that's enough. Come back to Layer panel. Select blue stamp layer, then click on Adjustments, and add black and white. Click to clip to layer. Select this icon. Click and drag on the color you want to remove from the image. Okay, this reaches the maximum. Now increase the blue color to completely remove. That's removed very well. Come back to Layer panel. To applying just for this one you must create clipping mask. Now applied only for this. Select green stamp layer. Click on Adjustments, and add black and white again. Click here to clip to layer, then click on this icon. Click and drag on the stamp color to remove from the document. That's well. Hope you liked it. Please follow for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.